Welcome to my how-to guide on how to skip phases of the wash cycle to speed things up, to select individual phases of a program, and to cancel a program on your Miele Honeycomb Care range washing machine. On this particular model, it's a W487 WPS model, but this is available on a lot of Miele's models. So, to operate this, you simply have to select a program first. So, let's say you select a 60-degree program with a pre-wash, and you press start. Right, so you're in the pre-wash phase, or maybe in the main wash phase, and you're thinking, I wish I hadn't selected the pre-wash phase, or you may have been thinking, I'm in the main wash, it's a bit too long, I can advance it to the rinses, and I get it a bit quicker. The fact is, it's already a quick machine as it is. But let's say you're in the pre-wash and you've accidentally selected the pre-wash and you don't want a pre-wash. And now advance it to the main wash. To advance to the next stage, which is the main wash, turn to finish. And then turn back. You're now advanced into the main wash. Of course, no detergent has been added here, but you've got now the main wash tumbles activated. I don't want the main wash, I want the rinses. Select finish. Turn to rinses. Need something back quickly. So let's advance it to the drain cycle. You should now drain for a minute, and then you will automatically go into the next step of the final spin. You will have to wait for this minute to be up before it actually enters the final spin phase. But what about, oh no, I've completely selected the wrong cycle. How do I cancel it? Turn again to finish, and the anti-crease/finish icon will illuminate and the dial will flash. Let's say, for example, you select cottons when you actually wanted the minimum iron wash. So, oh no, it's the wrong wash cycle. Finish, back, finish, back, finish, drain, finish, final spin, finish, anti-crease. And therefore it's gone through the whole cycle and cancelled it. You can now select a different cycle and start that. So there you are. That is how to advance different phases of the wash cycle on your Miele washing machine, and as well how to cancel an accidental program. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.